don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. London Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Simpiwe.
Okay, how's it?
I'm good, my brother.
You know what? I think disappointed is an understatement. I must say.
Yeah.
I just don't understand our coach, man. I really don't understand our coach.
Complain, my brother.
Okay, if we want to challenge the league,
yes,
and we want to dethrone Sundowns,
yes,
this was a perfect game for us to win.
Definitely.
This is our direct opponent.
Yes.
No matter your Kaiser Chiefs and all of this, this is our direct opponent.
Straight.
This is the guy that when we run, when we look back, we see him.
Yeah.
We should have demolished Sundowns today.
Killed them.
You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Mbuthuma had no business to even play 30 minutes in this game.
Yeah.
He had 2 sitters, my friend. Look at those 2 chances Leon scored.
Yeah.
1 touch goals.
Yeah.
He didn't trap anything.
Yeah.
He just touched the ball, goal. Touched the ball, goal.
Yeah.
Mbuthuma, I don't understand. He was playing with an injury. He can't run. My guy, why would you let Mabasa for Mbuthuma and for Makgopa? I think Makgopa was even far better than Mbuthuma. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Our coach, he needs to come back to his senses.
Yeah.
We have no time, my friend, to lose the league under these circumstances.
Yes.
We just don't have the time.
There's no time.
There's no time.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. We came back second half. Maswanganyi, he corrected his mistake.
Yes.
He should have scored that goal where that resulted into Sundowns scoring.
Yes.
He fixed his mistake.
And he scored.
Then what was the use of you playing Mbuthuma until the 85th minute?
I don't know.
You have Msendam, you have Apolis, you have Andre de Jong, you have Mbule.
Yeah.
Let me tell you players who didn't show up today.
Yeah.
Ndamtangela was not in the game.
Was off.
Who's this gentleman? Mbuthuma.
Yeah.
Who else? It was only Sibelebele on the other side.
Apolis.
He was tight. Even Apolis. He wasn't tracking back. Okay, fine. We understand that. But I must say, our coach, he needs to fix his tactics. He was just so stubborn today not to make immediate changes.
Yeah.
But what can we say? We lost the game. We look forward to the upcoming games.
Yeah.
We are so disappointed, man.
Thank you very much,
Sham,
my brother.
sham.
Hey.